Hey, what's up guys? I'm the GamePro232 and I'm here to show you how to make a super fun potion in Terraria. And that, my friends, would be a hunter potion because you want to see where the bad guys are so you can kill them, right? Yeah, let's get on with this tutorial so that you can go kill those bad guys. So you will need 1 bottled water, 1 daybloom, 1 blink root, and 1 shark fin. To get a bottled water, you will need 1 glass to make 2 bottles to craft on a furnace. Then you will need to stand in water of any amount of any type and craft bottled water in the potion section with those bottles that you crafted on a furnace with that 1 glass. To get a daybloom, you will need to go over an overgrown grass biome in the pure biome and swing your sword like a maniac and hope to pick one up. You can also make an alternative daybloom farm after you've collected daybloom seeds from that process. To get a blink root, you can usually find it growing underground on plain dirt and mud. You can also make an artificial-ish blink root farm and just place a bunch of dirt in the underworld for your platform when fighting the wall of flesh, and you'll have an infinite blink root farm right there. To get a shark fin, you will need to kill some sharks in the ocean. That one's pretty obvious. But yeah, you could also make a shark grinder with a shark statue and some pressure plates and stuff like that. As you can see, the hunter potion is consumable, shows the location of enemies, and has a 5-minute duration, I think it said. Yeah, 5-minute duration. These ingredients are also the ingredients for a night owl potion. You craft it on an alchemy station. To get an alchemy station, you place an empty bottle on a workbench. So let's craft this thing. There you go. We got our potion. And yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention, my trusty penguin's with me. So as you can see, those slimes down in that cave are indeed glowing, which is what the hunter potion will make any mob in the darkness look like. If they're in the light, they'll look as usual, but yeah. See that green slime over there? I mean, not green slime, ice slime. Did I say green slime before? I guess it doesn't really matter. But yeah, let's go to my home fighting area sort of thing. As you can see, I'm in my mansion that I built for myself, and let's look for some bad guys to fight. There's an angry Nimbus. He doesn't really glow because he's in the light, but as you can see, the ones that are in the darker areas glow green, the ones that are in the brighter areas look normal. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you really loved it, please be sure to subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell button to become part of my notification squad. This has been the GamePro232 teaching you how to make a hunter potion, and I'm out. See you later, folks.